Episode 5, take 13.
Fashionable Father here. My name is Timothy Sands. Subscribe if you're so inclined. Welcome to another video. A little bit about this show. It's called Call Me a Cab. A little play on words. It's a wine channel about tasting wine. And my dear friend Joanne and dear friend Danny, they're running this bad boy. They're amazing people, so when they called and said, hey, you want to be on the show? I was like, oh, yeah, of course. I've done some work with her before. I was in a play that she wrote and directed. One of those roles that's completely opposite of me, which was ridiculously fun to play. Just think of Barry on How I Met Your Mother, and that's opposite of me. I'm not a womanizer. I'm none of those things. But it was really fun to play, and very fond memories of just spending that time together rehearsing. Super low budget. We rehearsed in our living room. Did it in this little quaint little theater in the valley, right next to all the rich homes. It was just fun. Great memories of that. So anyways, when she calls, I'm like, yes, let's do something, let's have fun. And so her brand new channel again is called Call Me a Cab. It's about wine tasting. I'll be honest, I'm a little nervous. So here I am at their quaint little apartment. It's really actually a cool spot. They've been here for a while. No wonder they've never left. But I think they might be shooting because this is like I think they're shooting all day today, so I'm gonna be kind of quiet. This is actually the living room that we rehearsed the play I was talking about. Obviously it did not look like this. So yeah, this brings back memories. So this is one of the stars of this fantastic show called Call Me a Cab, as I mentioned before.
That helped. Maybe like 2 more shims, 3 more shims. Alright, BRB.
So this is Danny.
Hi.
The amazing producer, director, and
Where?
you're cute, you're cute.
Hi.
This is the director and writer that I talked about earlier.
This is why he's doing my show.
And this is why I'm
There's
doing the
free
show.
wine.
Pretty much the only reason.
So, yeah. Not because of friendship or
No, but
loyalty, but free wine.
Who needs all that?
Instagram Live. I think it's happening.
Oh, nice.
This is my guest, my unexpected guest.
Yeah, I thought it was supposed to be Sunday, apparently.
And it was supposed to be Monday, and then my bad when I was like, don't forget to come on Sunday.
And I came
now
on
we're
Sunday.
here. Okay, so and there's Dan. Film our 5th and final episode. Unexpectedly
Oh, nice. I'm the final
today,
episode.
we
You
were
hear
gonna
that?
do it tomorrow, but we're just gonna do speed round. And be like, we're funny, Chris and Lion. So while I'm talking, I also have a special guest joining me, Timothy Sands of Fashionable Father, found on YouTube. Will you do the claps?
I can
And I'll
absolutely.
only have to say 4.
4.
We have known each other for, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 or 7 years
7 years,
now, something
easy.
like that. Back to Fashionable Father. So,
I'd like to think so.
yeah, I think so.
For the most
The
part.
shoes are good. We'll get a shoe count
Yeah,
on him
for
later
sure.
so you guys understand. 'Cause he's head to toe fashionable. On this bad boy. But also something like kind of lemony.
Okay. I mean, obviously you introduce it and you kind of start thinking about it, right?
That's what I think too. Every time.
It's like Inception.
This is we're gonna give it a little swirl and a sniff, as they say.
Give it a swirl
Oh my
and
god,
a
it is pretty
sniff.
much swirls. Pretty. It smells a little apple, maybe like a sweet apple almost.
Sure.
Do you or no?
No,
Like
I'm
crab?
smelling white wine at the moment.
Oh.
But you're right.
That's
This is a
fair.
first for me.
Now
well,
taste
what you-
it.
Oh, sorry. I'm taking this.
But he didn't say what it smells
Oh
like.
yeah, he did. Okay. What did it smell like? When we
Apple.
tasted it?
Absolutely. Seriously, I did. And I know, again, it's like Inception. She probably put
I
that in
won't.
my
Yeah,
head.
and I
but-
won't say on the next one. The next one you have to tell me what you smell.
Okay, good. This
Okay.
is really good.
Now,
I'm enjoying this.
well, wait, so what we're gonna pair it with? It's an anchovy butter, and It's
a tube of anchovy
disgusting.
paste.
But now it's pretty.
Yeah.
It tastes like fish mayonnaise.
She's ruining it, liking it until you could just not talk.
I'm gonna stop talking. Sorry. Drink your wine. You're welcome for the free wine, by the way. Oh, and the free food that I made last minute when you showed up on a different day than we were shooting. But it's cool. I'll be quiet.
I'm just gonna drink my wine.
I'll put that in a to-go cup for you.
I don't like it that much.
That doesn't.
For rosé. I'm not smelling much.
It is very light. It's not like a
You
very.
can go first this time. You can go first.
See what happens when you get sassy? Smell
Right, I'm just
it's
smelling wine.
I would say like picture if I have ADD.
We're shooting something. We're shooting something.
What is happening? Like a lemon.
Like really
and
old stomped on grapes.
Like yeah, like a.
I think there's piss. Mine stopped.
Okay.
Those olives can eat. That's it.
Alright.
Nobody here likes olives. I had to.
All right.
Olives so bad. That's
Because
good
we're
for wine.
drunk, yeah.
This gets more fun.
I'm sorry, I will tell you what it feels like.
It's okay. I don't want this. Stones?
Like stones, like if you're at the. Okay, so if you had to revisit any of what we've had today,
Oh.
what would be your go-to?
What was it called again? The Averino?
The Albarino. That's the one you get to take home to your lovely wife who's been taking care of your lovely child while you've been sitting here drinking, taking care of
Taking
the
care of
sweetest
Arthur.
little, a very stylish. He's 3 now.
He's 3 now. 3 now.
The very stylish 3-year-old that you can see on Fashionable Father. You are fashionable.
Nice.
You might need a undershirt. But other than that,
Another one?
I never want another one of those. Oh, for Danny.
All right, so this was ridiculously fun. I had a great time. Danny's an amazing cameraman, director, producer, all that good stuff. Yes, he wears all those hats. He's going to be humble and say he doesn't, but he does. What's your show?
My show is called Pre-Mortem.
Pre-Mortem.
Yeah, and it's in Dances with Films.
That was fun. That was an enjoyable little time with Joanne and Danny. Yeah, go ahead and check out her Call Me a Cab show. It's fantastic. It was fun to do that. Thank you, Joanne. And but now I ran out of battery in there, so I had to rush out of there. And I'm now late for work, so I'm hustling off to there now. But yeah, Timothy Sands. This is my story of fashion and fatherhood. Please like and subscribe if you're so inclined. We have a lot more videos coming, and I hope to do some more collaborations. They're fun and enjoyable. All right, everybody, tune in and have a good time. All right, bye.